Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. It is an absolutely beautiful day today here in Zone 7B. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, taking time out of your day to hang out with me. And speaking of you guys, today it's all about you, specifically my channel members. They have been so supportive and loyal to me that it's just amazing. So now today it's time for me to show appreciation to them.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay guys, we are back and we are getting ready to watch clips from each of my members' channel. Now I have a few members that do not have, or I should say they are not content creators. So at the end of the entire video, I'll run their channel names up. Please visit them too. The content creators, I'd like for you all to visit each one of their channels. I will have a link down in the description that will take you directly to their channels. If you like their content, subscribe to their channel. Turn on their notification bell so you'll always be notified every time they upload a video. And then keep hanging around their channels too. You're bound to learn a thing or two. Okay guys, we're going to get this started with my very first channel member, Edward Smart.
It's Lydia. I want to thank each and every one of my guests that came along with this collaboration with me. I want to go ahead and give a shout out to each and every one of those channels. Okay?
Look at the pears, y'all. Look at the pears. Today is June 18th, 2021. Look at the pears, y'all. Look at the pears.
Hello, welcome to Andale Homestead, our homestead in the colony. I'm so glad that you guys are here today. What I am going to talk about is a little mail call to begin with, and then we're going to go into what I actually did with the goldenrod that I picked the other day. I've got some things that I'm taking care of, and I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm giving it a try.
Welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. So this morning I was going out to look for some fruit trees. One of my local friends told me that we actually had fruit trees on sale, which is very
Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am coming on to show you this wonderful happy mail that I got today. I did run to the post office and I saw this package.
Hey there, Sheree here from At Home with Sheree. I'm back in the kitchen today to share with you guys more things that I like to make sure I have prepped and ready to go for my family as we enter the winter and cold and flu season. So, if you're interested in seeing what that is, stay tuned.
Hi loves, welcome back to TT's Urban Pantry, and once again I am honored to be a part of another amazing collaboration.
Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Day Sunday. Now this is going to be an awesome live, guys. This is going to be I think it's going to be our highest rated live. We got so many people that was in the chat 20-30 minutes before the chat.
What up, YouTube? Bro Pharm back for another video, and it is of course a beautiful day outside. It's November, but it's 75 degrees. But when it gets to be fall and when you start asking a few questions about, you know, especially if you have fruit trees, you know, how cold-hearted are my fruit trees? Do my fruit trees need chill out?
I come to the garden alone. Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's early Saturday morning. I've got allergies, that's why I'm wearing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Veggie Farm. I'm Stacy, and today we'll be making lemongrass tea rings. Now I love tea. I drink tea all day long, and I usually make tea out of most of my herbs.
Hello everybody, here I'm getting ready to do this pickled okra challenge. I have the mild kind, so I don't know. I do grow okra, but I've never had pickled before. Let's try it out.
What's up, y'all? We got another quick view at Farmer Q here, and today we're going to talk about the yellow Trinidad scorpion pepper. So let's get it. The yellow Trinidad scorpion pepper is a pepper that's native to the island of Trinidad. It's very well known for making an excellent chili.
Hey y'all, it's Tasha from Oshi Grows, and I just got back from vacation, and I just need to check on everything in the garden, and I thought I'd bring y'all along with me. Let's go.
Good morning. This is Crystal with Whole New Perspective. Guys, I was getting ready to put my lemon slices away, and I decided that I would just bring you along and show you a little bit of this process.
This is a look at my little area, and it is a very small area, as you can see. But I want to take some time to explain a little bit about how I have my plants lined up here on the patio, and a little bit about the amount of sun everything gets.
To be here. I am so happy for you all to be here with me. My name is Larita King, and this is King's Way Gardening.
Okay, those channels and content creators, they are absolutely amazing. Again, thank you all for hanging out with me. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And share this video out because I'd like everyone to get to know all of my members. They have absolutely amazing content. I'm pretty sure you'll find at least a few that you'll enjoy too. Okay, guys, well, that's going to do it for today. Thank you once again. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.